someone is having an issue, we can go here. I'm going to post it here. All right, I'm just going to keep going, and hopefully this thing will sort itself out. Final check. I know it's stopping screen. I don't know what's happening. I'm just going to move this to the other monitor, and we'll hope for the best this can go right. Okay. So we've seen the PRD. That's the PRD. That's what we're going to attempt to do. And the first thing, I'm going to use my trusty droid. I really like it. And I'm going to start off with, I think this is an empty directory, right? I don't think that I've even cloned. No. Okay, I only have the PRD here. I don't think that I've even set the Git repository. So let's do that. We're gonna do git init and remote. Let's do this, and yeah, I think we're good for now. Okay, let's do a pull to make sure that we have the yeah. Remote origin. What do you want? I'm just gonna make my life a whole lot easier. And we're gonna start from scratch. Cool. Okay, so I basically have the Git repository here. And let's start. I'm gonna start with using Droid's local model. And yeah, let's put some music and have fun. I need a refresh maybe, so it will be aware. Yeah, okay. All right. Let's make a plan. Is there a way for me to maybe, make the font a bit bigger so it's easy to read for everyone? What's going on with X streaming? All right, let's hopefully this would work. Okay, reading the full PRD. Yeah, nothing exists, obviously. Anything new here in the broadcast? No? Oh, for the love of God. We're still on Google, maybe? On YouTube? Yeah, okay. YouTube still works. Okay, at least we have that. All right, so what do we have here? Yeah, single Go binary, crypto core. Yeah, let's see. PLD requires deterministic encryption. Yes. So if they're readable, yes. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we need to be deterministic. So obviously, git wiring, git config installs, right? So we need to install it. So we have in Vapor, local diff show plain text. Good. Nice. I didn't actually think about that. That's nice. So the diff locally will show the values. Okay. Config, keys, name, comments, keygen. Few choices. Okay. PID says encryption must be deterministic and every teammate shares the same PEM to both encrypt and decrypt. That points to a systematic crypto. Deterministic, yes, that's right, with synthetic IV. Of course, we're going to do it. Mm-mm-mm. Uh, let's go with the easier part. I think it's fine to use Cobra. And yeah, we're going to start with full. We're just going to go. And this is the path. So make sure the code goes in SRC. I would want to have a demo folder and an agent skill folder later. So I think that's would help. This is very disappointing. Oh, it is streaming? What the hell is going on? No, it's not streaming. It just blah. Let me just share this with the link to YouTube. I think I had the wrong link. So if people want to join, what would be their link? Won't be the studio. It would be this, I think, right? Yep. Oh, all right. Let me make a post in the meantime. I'll just retweet that. The stream. What's wrong with me today? The stream keeps going on here. All right. Yeah. I think hopefully this would embed the link. No, I'm not going to be that lucky. I'm going to try again. We're going to try again. No, maybe it's just on mobile. All right, fine. Let's see what our agent is up to. Okay, so it's starting a building, it's thinking. All right. Still didn't do anything. Nice. I don't think it's going to be a long build. I want to check that Automaze on GitHub has a homebrew. Yeah, we do have a homebrew tab. Okay, so we'll be able to do that. We'll be able to do. No? Okay, so this is for proof. We're gonna have another one. Cool. Mm-hmm. Okay, something in the keyboard position here is. Let's try again. We'll use is this. Um, I okay. All right, we're starting to get some stuff. I don't know if you can hear my kids there, but I guess that's part of the joys of live streaming. Okay. Yeah. You know what could be cool is to make sure. Maybe we can use it as a Git. Yeah, let's also build it as a Git extension. So we can use it either in Vapor init or git in Vapor init. So we can turn it into a sub command of git. We'll see. We need to have it working first. Create a new track. All right. Looks like a bit of an over engineering to me. We're gonna do code optimization. Once it's done, let's get the base benchmark, the application working. But yeah, it seems to me like it's a bit too much. I'm gonna give it another task in the meantime. While we build I love the we. It's always we build. Let's, I'll just speak. Okay. While we're building the actual application, please create a directory named docs and start creating a user guide inside of it as if it's already done. And then I'm going to review it to ensure that the user experience is exactly as intended. Okay, so this is the main track, GitHub Action. What's going on with that? Oh, he's building it in a different tree? No. So why am I not seeing these files? Oh, it's building it into the same place. Interesting. Okay. Hmm. All right, what's done? We have a user guide. Let's see the user guide. Okay. Basically, it rewrote the PRD, but let's see. It's not that bad. Creating a key. Right, right. Okay. We'll wait to see that this is indeed in line with what's happening. It's going in the fun multiple concurrent droid. Okay, yeah, fine. Stop the other session. That's fine. I'm gonna stop the other session, and I need you to take over both uh, versions and try to make sense of everything. I was afraid that's going to happen. Let's stop that. Different styles. Wow. Okay. They're actually coding two different styles. I guess a very new repository is not the best way to do multiple writes. Let's let it finish the base, kind of the baseline, and then we're gonna spin up different work trees. Yes, now you indeed have sole ownership. Mhm. Foreign leftover. Okay, let's start reviewing some of the files. The GitHub action and Vapor. Ignore this for now. decided it's MIT. I'm pretty sure that I went with Apache, right? Yeah, I went with Apache, not MIT. Could be MIT. What do I care? Okay. User guide. That's fine. We've seen that. It's fine. Okay, let's see what's happening here. Okay. Full life cycle works. Okay, show, use the, oh my god. Use the proof skill to show me it works. The proof skill, by the way, is something that we've created, Automaze. I highly recommend you give it a try. It's actually going to be in proof. It's skill and a utility and something you can put inside your code that will allow you to um, see visual proof of work of anything that's happening in a terminal or a web browser, and even in simulators like iPhone simulator and stuff like that. So it's really cool. We've been using it a lot. It's proved itself. Let's see if there's a demo here somewhere. No, there's no. I didn't link to a demo. Anyway, but this is pretty much how it looks, and it's quite cool. Let's see what I'm gonna get here. That's absolutely not true, but fine. Oh, okay. Fix it. Yeah, that's my development stuff. I guess you should never demonstrate on your own local machine where all the installations are broken. Okay, show me the proof. Okay. Let's see the proof. Evidence and vapor. DM. Okay. Not that. Report. All right. Can I see it even slower? It's too fast for me. Created a key. This was the data. We ended. Wait, what? This was the data. We run it doctor. We got the encryption. Okay. Oh, sorry. So we got it encrypted and then untouched, file tree, human readable diff. All right, seems to work. Where were we? Let's just do this. I have a larger screen. Okay. All right, let me just write this down so I can. I'll write it down. All right, so I won't forget. 1 second. I think I have a guest coming in. 1 second. Hello. Okay.
You want one?
No, not right now. Thank you.
We've got chocolate, strawberry, and lemon.
I'll get an ice cream afterwards.
And we also got chocolate nut and chocolate fudge.
Okay, baby. All right, close the door. I'm in the middle of a call with people.
Hold on.
All right. Okay, so we have the artifacts. Things seem to be working. And normal and need. Okay, good. Before we build the, now what I'm going to do, I want to have Fable on it, and I think high is a good. Okay, so before we build the GitHub action, let's take more let's take a deeper look at the code and review it both in terms, oh my god, terms of quality and security. Fable is really good at this. Safety check. Oh my god, really? Please modify your request to avoid. Really? Really, Fable? It's my code. Seriously? Okay. Where is Saul? Better call Saul. What's right with you? This is I haven't seen this thing before. modify a request. Ha! Let's see if I'm gonna run this on Cloud Code directly. Let's see what would happen. Okay, I run the deep audit. Uh, Wait, I don't think that I'm on Fable. I'm on Opus 8. Okay, so no. Model. Let's do Fable. And now. Okay. Really? What's happening here? Oh. Sure. Thank you. Not log in, no? Now do it. Ha! It didn't happen here. It only happened in Droid. Hey, Droid people. Okay. Continue with Fable. Okay, I guess that now we just wait. In the meantime, what I can do while it's doing the audit, the code is done. Please check that we have full parity with the user guide. Is right. Oh, should understand that. It's really going to be interesting to see how Opus 5 is going to be compared to Fable. I think that Anthropic is more interested to know how it compares to Sol, but it's going to be an interesting week allowance as part of the Max and Pro subscriptions for another week. What's the most important thing is to make sure that the keys are always encrypted. And we're going to run some tests. We're going to see. Just make sure that I have. Yeah, okay, I have this repository. Full in parity, discrepancy. Okay, that's right. Go ahead and update the clock. Do. What's happening here? Where's Fable? Oops. Okay, we better have some report. Okay. Um, one thing that I want to do is like to let's see. I don't think that people will install it as a Go library. I think that instead people need the option to install it using PowerShell on Windows. We're already planning Homebrew on Mac OS. I don't know why the doc says that it's a Linux as well. It is not. So for Linux, we need a curl-based installer to live alongside the Go installer. So document it first in a way that makes sense, and then I'll let the coding agent actually make it happen. Okay. Okay. So we got some sort of a report. Did this finish? What the? No, it's not finished. It's still working. Okay. So Fable was faster than Sol. Interesting. Um, okay, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna stop it. It's fine. Um, where's the report? Come on, come on. Show me the report. This code review. Okay. Let's see if I'm giving Fable here. And where's the installation part? I want to see if it fixed it. Right. Exactly. Okay. Gonna come back to that. Oh my god, I can't believe this thing. Okay, the whoever here from factory, this thing needs to be fixed. Asking it to fix bugs. Come on. All right. Let's give it a Sol. Okay. Read the code review in the meantime. Hmm. Nice. Nice catch. This one. So if a value starts with like a UTF secret, or it would just wouldn't work. So that's a very good catch. Nice. Good catch from multi-lines. Same issue. It's continues silently skipping the plain test. Okay, good. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. All makes sense. All reasonable. Docs here are done. Okay. Um, I wouldn't call it a script, a shim that runs curl under the hood and installs to homebrew. Okay, so this is just an easier way to do homebrew install and uninstall for this utility. How did I do it here? This is for the proof, so essentially the same thing. Yep. So we're what, about an hour in? Not bad. We're almost done. I think in about an hour, we're gonna have a new tool. Okay. It auto generates a binary download and pushes it on every release, if that it is. That will override this handwritten shim. Oh, okay. Yeah. Uh, okay. In the meantime, make sure that we have the homebrew tap. Okay, completed. Addressed all critical. Let's see if Fable concurs. Okay, so we just need to create releases now. We want to check this locally first. What are you thinking so much? Let's give this thread another task. All right, let's see the README. All right. Okay. Okay, good. That's actually a good README. What did I see here that I wanted to address? It's actually fine. Oh, I'll just let this finish instead. Okay, 15 minutes to go. Based on my assumption of it's going to take around 2 hours, I think we're in good shape. Uh, Before I create a release, let's test it here. Okay. So what I want to do, let's open up code. And in the demo, not in the demo, in the root, oops, let's create an env file. Yep. Let's call this public key. So this is what I need to do. Okay. We'll see how this goes. Okay. We have most of the stuff here. Okay. Let's build it. Okay, good. So we have all the commands here. For in Vapor, I'm going to start with keygen, and I'm going to call it demo. Create a demo here. See this file. All right. And now we can do in Vapor init. And I need to supply the PEM file, right? What are the docs saying? Yeah. Okay, so already I see some usability issue. Let's make sure that init accepts both and so also the latter will look for and use it if it exists. Fail if does not. Okay. I think it's going to be a better way of using it instead of doing PEM every time. Okay, so it's initialized. Let's run the doctor. Okay. So let me commit, add testing, encryption. I'm sure there's a typo somewhere. And git push. Okay, so here I should see the environment file and it should be good. Exactly what we wanted. Now, let me try to copy it to another place. So let me go to the desktop for a second. Git clone. What do I have here? This is what I get, and I need to do the init, I think, again in order to. Okay, so now I'm saying the right key. Okay, so it did work. Cool. Let's make a change in this key. And the change would be hello world modified. Git add env and git commit testing encryption git push. So am I gonna see? Okay, let me do a git pull here on the original. So env was modified. Yep, nice Aroni, exactly what we want. So, okay, that's another idea to migrate it. I want another command and vapor keys, list keys. I want to see what I have. Oh, maybe the status is already there, right? Right. Vapor status tells me what I have. No, the status for this. Okay, for this repository. The one thing not thrilled about is this demo key. It's a bit short. I want it heck of a long. This is a joke of a key. Okay, so let's pretend that a team member just left. So I want to create a new keychain. So, and we're going to call it demo 2. And now I want to migrate this repository from demo to demo 2. Ha. What? I know the demo is a directory, but it's also a key. What? So we need all PIM. Yeah. Okay. We have an issue there. So this is an edge case. This is not good. Okay. דני, זוז לי מהדלת. Okay, I want to see the new keychain. Yeah, still weak. Still weak. Can I do this or already exist? Okay. Am I getting a better key now? It's a better key, okay. I want to migrate. Good. So now Oh, not key. Env. Sorry. Oops. How come everything is up to date if I did a migration? Okay. All right. Okay. Because it did it on push. Uh, let's see. So this one on the desktop should not work for me. Yep. Good. Okay. When I did uh, um still getting used to this mechanical keyboard. I got, let's give good. Changed. Good. Um, Pretty sure we're done. What we need to do is to create a test. I do want to cut a release. This was here, right? It's called dogs, but it was here. Okay. Okay. Good. Exactly the desired behavior indeed. Oh, this would be nice not worrying about environment variables anymore. Good. Let's add the PEM as secret here for the testing. Secrets and variables, actions, not environment. Uh, what was it called? Yeah, I don't need Fable anymore. All right, jobs failed. Oh, okay. I thought I have the right key. Wait. Call demo 2. Thought I did that. Okay. What? Who is that? מי דופק לי על הדלת? אני בשידור. All right. So the action worked. So the action worked. We had okay. Yes, let's test the installers. I'll install it on a remote server, just so I'll have it so I can test it. Let's go to one of my servers. See if it installs without issues. Oh, I need to add it in. Okay, so now you'll know what this. Okay, installs. So a curl installs. So it's here. Let me delete it and do a brew install. So the installer works as well. The one thing I cannot test right now is Windows. Hopefully it works. Someone will tell me if it works or not in the issues, I'm sure. Uh, don't. Right, right. So, let's delete this thing. We don't need it anymore. And how does this look? Cool. I don't know if we need the PRD anymore. Let's remove it. You know what? I'll keep it as a reference if people are reviewing the. I'm just gonna rename it. Okay. Also, why the hell are we running actions on every commit? Testing the build. No, that's fine. What? Oh, right. Yeah. It didn't let me commit because it was still pointing to the development and vapor in the Git hook. That's the word I was looking for. All right, almost done. I don't like the fact we need the formula can should be able to take latest. No, it can't because of the checksum. Okay, never mind. Pretty sure we're done though. Let's see how the skill looks. Ha. Have you ever? I never thought I'm gonna see a rule that says never add dot env to git ignore. That's funny. Okay. Um, let's create a git extension shim. So git and mine and naming it migrate. Fine. Are currently not done. Don't even remember what I spec'd in verify. Oh, okay, yeah. Yep, cool. So we're just gonna create a symlink named Git in Vapor and should be done. All right, there you have it, folks. I'm assuming that in about 10 minutes, we're going to have it completely done and ready. Then I'll probably add a shameless plug to something on the README file, but it's pretty much done. This is important. I would probably put this in a call out. Let's see. Okay, so this is done. This is being done. this is a really nice to have thing. So it, all right. So good. In a minute, we're gonna cut version 0.02. And we'll be done. All right. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to commit and push everything. Um, then we're going to cut a new version, and I think that we are done here. Second. Good. Yeah, I'm still on a call. Oh. Um, don't forget to add a line item to changelog.md. Something failed. What failed? Let's see if it was just rate limiting thing or something more crucial. Cancelled? Why? Because a new thing is running? Right. Failed. So this will fail as well. This did not fail? What the hell? I don't get it. That's so weird. Okay, I can close this. Thank you, Claude, for your service. Okay, right. Oh, they just love this word. Okay. I think we can call it a day. It's actually pretty much done. This thing will get fixed in the next few minutes. And yeah, so that was. Let's do a proper farewell. This was Old School New Tech session. Build with me. We've built and Vapor utility for Git to allow you to add your environment variables and commit them without worrying. Thank you for sticking around, and I hope you had a nice time. I had it was close to 3 hours well spent, and we have a new open source tool now. Thank you, everyone. See you on the next one. Bye bye.